In this video, you'll learn how to change your Visa card on eBay. By following these steps, you will successfully update your payment information, ensuring that your transactions proceed without any issues. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you are signed in, navigate to the account menu, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. From this menu, select either payment settings or billing settings. This section will display your current payment methods, including any saved cards. Take a moment to review the existing card details, ensuring that you have your new Visa card ready for entry. It is essential to confirm that the billing address associated with the new card matches your account details, as discrepancies can lead to verification errors. Next, look for the option labeled Add Payment Method. Click on this option and then select Credit or Debit Card. You will be prompted to enter your new card information, which includes the card number, expiration date, and security code. It is crucial to enter these details carefully. After entering the information, double-check the digits to avoid any failed verification attempts. Once you have verified that all information is correct, save the new card. Wait for a confirmation message to appear, which indicates that the new payment method has been successfully added. Some accounts may require confirmation of a verification charge, so keep an eye out for any notifications regarding this. After successfully adding your new Visa card, return to the list of saved payment methods. You can find this by going back to the payment settings. Locate the old card that you wish to remove and select it. You will see an option to either remove or delete the card. Click on this option and confirm the removal when prompted. It is important to ensure that no pending payments are linked to the old card before completing this step. In case you need to set the new card as your default payment method, you can do this from the same section. Keeping your payment methods updated will ensure that your transactions remain smooth and hassle-free. Once you have removed the old card, review your payment settings one last time to ensure everything is correct. Check that your new Visa card is listed and set as the default payment method if desired. This final verification will help prevent any issues during future transactions. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.